Here's how to update your Google account recovery options now that Google no longer uses recovery questions. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in with the Google account you want to update. On the left side, tap Security. This is where all your Google recovery and protection tools are located. Since Google removed recovery questions, the recovery email is now one of the main ways to regain access to your account. Scroll down to Ways we can verify it's you and tap Recovery Email. Here, you can add a new email, replace the old one, or remove an outdated one. Next, go back and tap Recovery Phone. Add your current phone number or update the old one. Google uses this to send verification codes if you ever get locked out. To improve recovery even more, scroll down to Two-Step Verification and tap it. Here, you can generate backup codes, one-time codes that help you sign in even without your phone. Download them or write them down and store them safely. Finally, scroll to Your Devices. Remove any old phones or computers you no longer use. This prevents old devices from interfering with verification attempts. And that's it. Those steps replace the old security questions and keep your Google account recoverable and secure.